just sitting in my chair and the following message is transmitted at the request of the Goreland City Police Department, Goreland City SWAT Team, Goreland City Special Forces, Goreland City Armed Forces, the Goreland City Military, the Goreland Military Civil Defense Command, the Goreland City Emergency Centers, and the Goreland City and any other special force. At approximately 10:15 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, the Chaos Military has once again released a new secret to the public. A new gun skin that's more OP than Sapphire and any other skin possible. Mighty. This skin is very OP. It raises your accuracy by 50%, your ammo by 100%. Especially on guns like the minigun, where you have a lot of ammo, it's very OP. If you've got your hands on a mighty weapon, turn it in to the Everything Canadian military camps. These camps will take any weapon that has a mighty skin or any other skin and change it back. No, wait, not change it back. Take it for themselves. Also, they have now figured out how to combine gun skins. So gun skins like Ruby Mighty, Sapphire Emerald, those skins that can be combined into two different ones. Very dangerous. Dangerous indeed. If you come across a dangerous specimen with a gun with combined skins or the mighty skin, run away as quick as possible and try any way in your power to be able to get around this dangerous situation. If you or anyone you know has a weapon that has a mighty skin or has the capabilities of having a mighty skin, run away. If normal people try to put the mighty skin on a gun, they will explode into a million pieces to never be seen again. In order to have access to this mighty skin, you either have to defeat the observer boss or get hands on it from another Chaos military member. That's how you can get granted access to the mighty skin. Once you have access to the mighty skin, with all your money you have, buy as many light, medium, or heavy weapons and change them all to mighty skins or combined skins. Then turn it in to any special force in Goreland or Everything Land. They will then add it to their military. If you can find any other gun skins that we have not found out about, combine those as well and turn them in. If you do not do that, you will be sentenced to death. Repeating, failure to do so will result in you being sentenced to death. Public execution, electric chair, or any other way of killing. Run. Repeating, run. Run as fast as you can to Everything Land. Get away from Goreland. There are whole factories creating guns with any skin combination and taking them to the Everything Canadian military. Then, once the Everything Canadian military, another Everything Canadian or Gorelandian special force gets their hands on these weapons, they will then kill anyone that refuses to turn in these weapons. Do not refuse. Repeating, do not refuse. Running away will end up getting you wanted by special forces, and when found, will be killed on sight. Remember, the Chaos military was the cause of this. They are secretly working with the Everything Canadian military to wreak havoc and any other Gorelandian special force, except the Steel Leafs, to wreak havoc on Goreland. We will try to stay strong, as the Steel Leafs are working as hard as they can to be able to combat these forces. They have failed to do that. They are currently trying to create whatever they can. What? The Steel Leaf private research facility has been breached again, and so has the SCP Foundation. SCPs and entities at the Steel Leaf private research facility have been released. What? The Chaos military has again got their hands on the self-destruct button. Once this button is pressed, all of Goreland will be lost, along with every other alternate Goreland universe. These universes are also urged to evacuate to Everything Land as well, and turn in any weapon that has any skin, confinement skin, or the mighty skin especially. Or any unknown skin combinations. Evacuation procedures and any other form of evacuation will have to take place. Kitty Man and any other Everything Canadian special force will be coming to evacuate citizens. Innocent ones, and ones that have been good and have not done no bad. If they have done bad, if they have a criminal record of heinous crimes, or they have done sinful things, they will be shot on sight. Do not lie. Do not do anything sinful, and do not do anything bad. If you are good, if you are not sinful, you will be allowed to go to Everything Land. If you don't know what Everything Land is, I made a video specifically talking about that, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. Once evacuated, make sure that you and any loved one has also evacuated. Kitty Man will be coming around to evacuate everything in approximately 2 minutes. Repeating. Kitty Man and any other special force will be coming to evacuate everything in approximately 2 minutes. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. What? The Chaos military somehow found access to the self-destruct button of every alternate Gorelandian universe? Are you kidding me? Wow. Just wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, like they said, evacuate now. I gotta do this. Just gotta create this reality crusher. Done. Now I gotta fix this issue. Ugh, oh, that hurt. Ow, my legs. Gotta reverse this. Where were the Chaos military? Where was the Chaos military last seen? Oh wait, I remember them being at GDev's hotel. Top floor. They were literally right there. Oh. I don't want to get shot by the turrets. They do have secret turrets that come out of the ground whenever enemies. Alright, we need to grab our M249, which we've had for decades, and head in there. They have a clue up here. Oh, dude, you hear gunshots already. This is not enough. Luckily I have my secret minigun.
Hey, what's going on?
There's the first level done. There's a second level. The second level is defense to the clue. There's our final Is there a final layer of defense? Where's that last guy? Hold on, maybe he's all the way up here. I'm hearing gunshots. Crap. Okay, down to the last. Oh, jeez. What is this clue even at? I thought there was supposed to be a clue. I was wrong. I guess I came in here and killed these people for no reason. I had to walk all the way back here again. That sucks. Keep having to walk all the way here. I'm tired of running. Geez, when will I ever never have to run again? Bop! The following message is transmitted at the request of the Goreland City Government. At approximately 1:22 p.m. Eastern Mountain Standard Time, The unself-destruct button was pressed 16 times by the one and the only Dragon Author KYT. The button was pressed 16 times, while he also managed to create the Reality Crusher V2, a weapon with infinite other variants. Transported to Everything Land, he somehow found a blueprint to be able to create another. Being able to do this, he pressed the button. Props to you, Dragon Author KYT. The stupid Dragon Author KYT. He's ruining my plans. Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh, maybe I should screw him up. Maybe I should remove his Reality Crusher. Maybe then what is he gonna do about it? Oh, yay, all the fame in the world. Yay. Maybe if we send a little someone to his house to teach him a lesson. Who should we send? Shadow mutants. 4 of them. Yay, all the fame. Yay, all the fame. Yay. What is that noise? Oh, crap. Oh, Shadow Mutants, no! My worst enemy. Stupid Dragon Author KYT. He's gonna pay. Ha, stupid dragon.